Hello everyone, and welcome to Azameg Technology. My name is Azameg and I'm excited to share the latest tech news, tips, and tutorials with you. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content. Let's dive in.
Welcome to our channel, where we help you make money by sharing tips and tricks on mobile phone repairs. In today's video, we will discuss how to make money by repairing mobile phones. Hi everyone, my name is Azameg, and I have been repairing mobile phones for over 3 years. In this video, I will share some tips and tricks on how to make money by repairing mobile phones. As you can see, there is a huge demand for mobile phone repair services. People drop their phones and break them, or they simply stop working. This is where you come in. First and foremost, you need to have the skills and knowledge to repair mobile phones. You can learn these skills by attending courses, watching videos online, or practicing on your own. Once you have the skills, you can start by offering your services to friends and family. This will help you build your reputation and gain experience. You can also advertise your services on social media, such as Facebook and Instagram. Use high-quality images and catchy captions to attract potential customers. Another way to make money is by selling mobile phone parts and accessories. This can be done through an online store or by setting up a physical shop. Lastly, you can make money by providing technical support and consultations. Many people have questions and problems with their mobile phones, and they are willing to pay for expert advice. In conclusion, repairing mobile phones can be a lucrative business if done right. With the right skills, marketing strategies, and customer service, you can make a good income while helping people in need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on mobile phone repairs. See you in the next video.